Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to build your brand on Printful. So basically, you just need to create a strong brand identity. All you have to do is go to Printful and then to create a logo or something for your store, like designs, you can use Canva for that. This is a free editing tool. Let's just say if you want to create a logo for your store, for your brand, you just have to go to design and then select from any of their design template here. Replace this with your store, the name of your store. Let's just say Andy Shop. This will be your brand identity. This will be your logo. It should be unique. Okay, after that, you can change background color. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done designing your logo, you can now tap on the share button above and then download this as PNG. Okay, so this is the first thing. Decide on your brand colors, tone, and style, modern, retro, luxury. After that, go to Printful and sign up. Here you have to select your store. If you want to connect your store, just tap on connect right here and choose from any of the platforms. So let's just say if you want to connect your Printful to your Wix, just tap this one right here and you will see the Wix as one of the options here in e-commerce platform. Just tap on connect. Make sure that you have already created a Wix store. It's published already. So that all you need to do here is to connect this to your Wix. Tap this connect to Wix button and then select that specific store here on your Wix. Once done, you can now go back to your Printful and then proceed with editing your store. Just tap on these dots right here, go to settings, and here you can add your logo. You can add information to your store. You can add here slogan, artwork, and then you can go to branding. You can select for pack-in cards, logo for inside labels. You can start by adding your store logo right here. Also, if you want to add some discounts or any message for your loyal customer, you can add here. Add your email address. So all you have to do is again set a strong, or let's just say build a strong brand identity. Okay, you can also add here your Instagram, TikTok, everything to provide great customer experience right here. So this is what it looks like, the message for my loyal customer. I can now review, and then like what I mentioned earlier, you can scroll down here and then add your platform, social media accounts, okay? Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp to connect with other customers. And basically that's it. And always make sure you use high quality mockups or real photos for listing. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.